Is your child spending another summer glued to screens, complaining they're bored within hours of putting down their device? You're not alone in this struggle. Picture this familiar scene. It's the second week of summer break. Your kids are already saying there's nothing to do, despite having access to endless online entertainment. They're restless, their creativity seems stuck, and meaningful learning has taken a backseat to mindless scrolling. Meanwhile, you're worried they're missing out on the real-world experiences that actually build character and skills. Here's the good news. There's a simple solution that costs almost nothing, requires zero technology, and can transform your child's entire summer experience. I call it the Adventure Learning Method, and it's based on 5 core activities that naturally engage different parts of a developing brain. Let me walk you through these 5 game-changing activities. First, nature journaling. Give your child a simple notebook and have them document one outdoor observation daily. This could be sketching a leaf, writing about cloud shapes, or tracking animal behavior. Why does this work? Research shows that handwriting activates areas of the brain involved in thinking, language, and working memory. The specific benefit? Your child develops scientific thinking skills while connecting with the natural world. Second, cooking experiments. Choose one new recipe each week and let your child lead the preparation. This isn't just about following instructions. Have them modify ingredients, predict outcomes, and explain what they observe. The science here is fascinating. Cooking engages multiple senses simultaneously, which strengthens neural pathways and improves problem-solving abilities. The outcome? Your child gains practical life skills while learning chemistry, math, and following complex processes. Third, storytelling marathons. Set aside 30 minutes daily for your child to create and tell original stories. No writing required, just pure imagination. Here's why this works so well. Oral storytelling activates the brain's narrative network, which is crucial for memory formation and emotional processing. The benefit is remarkable, improved communication skills, and emotional intelligence. Fourth, building challenges. Using household items like cardboard boxes, tape, and everyday objects, challenge your child to construct something new each week. Maybe it's a fort, a marble run, or a puppet theater. This taps into spatial reasoning and engineering thinking. The psychology behind this is powerful. When children build with their hands, they're literally constructing new neural pathways related to planning and problem solving. Your child develops persistence and innovative thinking. Fifth, community connection projects. Have your child interview elderly neighbours about their childhood, help at local food banks, or organise neighbourhood cleanup efforts. This might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Social engagement releases oxytocin, which improves learning and memory formation. The specific outcome? Your child develops empathy and real-world social skills that no app can teach. Now, I was skeptical at first. Could these old-fashioned activities really compete with high-tech entertainment? The answer surprised me. After implementing this approach with hundreds of families, parents consistently report the same transformation. Within 2 weeks, children stop asking for screen time. They start initiating their own projects. Their attention spans improve dramatically. Most importantly, they develop genuine confidence in their ability to create their own entertainment and learning experiences. Here's what I want you to do. Choose just one of these 5 activities and commit to trying it with your child for the next 7 days. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is simply to begin. Remember, the most profound changes in your child's development won't come from the latest educational app or expensive summer program. They'll come from simple, timeless activities that engage their natural curiosity and creativity. Small, consistent actions create extraordinary transformations.